Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an important AI template, must need AI template for all the research scholars, how to make a perfect and a detailed literature review using your reference paper. This AI tool will observe or take the content from the researchers and it will analyze that respective content and will give you a perfect review on that respective content. You can blindly use this AI template for your literature review writing, especially when you are making a high standard paper in elsewhere or IEEE transaction. You can use this template to generate a perfect literature review for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI template and how you can use that AI template for your research paper writing, especially literature review. So go to LMS solution. So here you will be having an option called LMS AI. So just to click on this LMS AI. So in this LMS AI, you will be having different kinds of LMS AI templates, especially designed for research paper writing. Here you can see these are the different kinds of LMS AI templates. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the template called detailed literature review. So you can just click on that detailed literature review template. So in this is the dashboard of this detailed literature review template. So it will ask the title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, and conclusion of the paper. You have to add all these particulars in this respective that is tables, that is title, abstract, introduction, and conclusion. So first I am going to take the reference. Here I am going to take this as my reference paper. So first I am going to copy the title. So go to the respective tab and paste here. So after that, so you can copy the abstract of the paper, paste the abstract here, and then introduction part of the paper. So first I copy this page alone. After that, so I will go for the next page. So no worries, you can copy more number of pages also. So you can copy this rest of the introduction part of the paper and then conclusion of the paper. You can come here. Here different cases are analyzed in this respective paper. So I am going to copy this conclusion of the paper, copy this conclusion and paste in the respective tab. After giving all the inputs regarding that reference paper, so just to click on the option called do literature review. There are many AI tools and AI templates are available, especially for making literature review. But in order to make a perfect literature review from the content what you are observing, this template will be a genuine template and a perfect template for you. So you can use this template for a high quality research paper writing. Here comes the review. So first it provide the summary of the paper. What is the paper is all about. So it will give the summary. So after that, it will give the main findings of the paper. So here you can see these are the main findings of that respective paper. So after that, what are the limitations, possible limitations associated with the paper? So these are the three important things you need to write the literature review. That is, what is the paper is telling all about it work, and also the main findings of that respective paper and the limitations associated with the paper. So you can use the same for your literature review writing, or if you want to analyze even more, you can copy and paste the respective content in that respective tab. So you can get a perfect summary of the paper, main findings and limitations of the paper. So you can use that for your detailed literature review, especially those who are making review paper. So you can use this content. So it will give with the numerical data, what are the inputs, what are the outputs that paper is all about. You can pick up the best points out of it rather than reading the full paper. Make use of this option detailed literature review in LMS AI templates and make your research paper writing simple and easy. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, at just 99, you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month and you can get one plagiarism and AI report per plan. So important thing is that so you can get unlimited access for all our templates. Next one is premium plan. So you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 year. 12 plagiarism plus AI report per plan, and also you can access course on demand videos also. And the important thing is that you can get unlimited access for all our LMS AI templates for 1 year. So, and also we will add the best AI templates for research paper writing and we will update in this respective LMS AI tab itself. So you can use that respective templates also. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.